Thank you for joining us for today's presentation of entrepreneurship. Before we get started, I'd like to share a little bit about GW Publisher. As a trusted educational partner for more than 100 years, GW continues to operate with a vision that began in 1921 to provide the highest quality content at a great value and take the best care of our customers. We share your passion and commitment to prepare learners for success in life and career. GW collaborates with outstanding authors, trustworthy reviewers, and industry-focused trade associations to deliver content with effective pedagogy aligned to national standards. This team of experts across career, technical, and health education ensures that students have the right mix of knowledge and skills for success. Every GW title is built to help support student success with powerful content written by expert educators and industry experts aligned to standards. Our content, delivered in both print and digital options, is designed with pedagogical tools to promote applied, hands-on practice and authentic learning through projects, procedures, and skills. And of course, every GW adoption includes ongoing instructor support, from our time-saving resources like detailed lesson plans and PowerPoints, assessments, consultation to find the best package for your school, and professional development opportunities with our national content specialists. The online instructor resources provide instructors with time-saving preparation tools such as answer keys, editable lesson plans, and other teaching aids. Some features include lesson plans and activities. Experienced teachers have developed detailed lesson plans and creative activities to accompany the textbooks. There's no need to spend days recreating your courses. They have done it for you. PowerPoint presentations. Editable slides for each chapter engage a variety of learning styles, improve student focus, encourage discussion, and provide visual impact. Assessments with assessment software with question banks, which include hundreds of matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer questions to assess student knowledge of the content in each chapter. GW Assessment is a cloud-based assessment platform that seamlessly integrates with a school's LMS. No more downloads, uploads, or imports needed. One quick click takes you directly into GW Assessment. Create, customize, assign, and print pre-built questions and tests to meet the needs of your course. Confirm student comprehension through hundreds of questions in matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer format. Enjoy the auto-grading feature that saves you time, improves your efficiency, and helps with your overall course management. When integrated in an LMS, easily measure student knowledge as grades and results flow right into your LMS gradebook. Gain valuable insights into student performance with advanced reporting delivered to your LMS. Stay current with continuous platform updates that ensure your class always has access to the latest assessments and features. GW is connected and committed to helping you achieve your teaching goals while students master learning. Our print titles are also available as a digital experience that includes the full ebook, digital versions of workbook or lab manual, as well as any accompanied media, study tools, and assessments. Supplemental learning with entrepreneurship includes digital activities, digital resources, and the Digital Companion website. The Digital Companion website is an additional online resource for students. The site includes e-flashcards, vocabulary matching activities, review activities, and a variety of other learning activities. Now, let's dive into the textbook. Entrepreneurship introduces students to the risks and rewards of business ownership with a project-based pedagogy and a foundation in economic concepts. Students are guided through the elements and creation of a business plan, using a step-by-step narrative for selecting an idea for a business, social and ethical responsibilities, startup options for the new business, operating the business, and expanding and exiting the business. Chapters have been reorganized in this edition to better reflect a logical sequence to help students launch their very own small businesses. This reorganization mimics the natural order of launching a business outside of the classroom. Over 600 new assessment questions across lesson and end-of-chapter content, including over 100 newly created application-based questions. New case studies at the start of each unit. a new animation library to help explain complex or important topics in an engaging way, available as part of the digital package. New lesson-based activities, available as part of the digital package. Experiential and hands-on learning experiences through project-based learning activities at the end of each unit. Updated lesson plans and PowerPoint presentations to be more relevant and useful for classroom instruction and student learning. New entrepreneurial concepts such as lean startup methodology and business model canvas to provide insight into current trends and concepts and help you follow the process of launching a business and become a real entrepreneur. And more. Unit Overview provides a preview of the content found within each unit of chapters. New case study features at the unit level provide brief overviews of real-world entrepreneurs. Downloading the full, unabridged version from the digital resources provides an opportunity for you to answer questions about that entrepreneur and the impact they have had on their respective markets. New project-based learning, PBL, activities are designed to deepen your understanding of concepts by applying those concepts in activities that mimic real-world application. Building your business plan provides a scaffolding set of activities that allows you to create a real business plan for a business you create and develop. In addition to the real-world application of concepts, this project also addresses important 21st century learning skills. The instructional design of this textbook includes student-focused learning tools to help students succeed. Reading prep activities incorporate English/language arts techniques for reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Chapter introductions provide an overview of what you can expect to learn in each chapter, as well as the lessons that divide each chapter. New entrepreneurial spotlight features within each chapter highlight different entrepreneurs who found creative ways to launch a successful business. Each feature concludes with a real quote from the feature's entrepreneur to help you connect to the content on a personal level. Thinking critically activities challenge you to apply concepts to real-world situations. Key terms provide a list of important business and academic terms to create a framework for you as you build a personal glossary. Learning outcomes clearly identify the knowledge and skills to be obtained when the chapter is completed. These outcomes are labeled and correlated to related headings and assessment elements to facilitate reporting and remediation. An essential question at the beginning of each lesson engages you as you uncover important points presented in the content. FYIs provide business and entrepreneurship facts to enhance or expand your understanding of content and add relevancy to the material. SBA tips provide information and recommendations related to business ownership from the Small Business Administration. Focus on Finance features provide information on financial topics related to small businesses. You Do the Math activities focus on skills that are important to your understanding of math for business. You're given an opportunity to apply math concepts in the context of business applications. Social Entrepreneurs features appear in odd-numbered chapters and discuss business owners who have demonstrated social or ethical responsibility within their communities. Ethics for Entrepreneurs features highlight ethical business practices and topics that apply to entrepreneurs and their businesses. Global Entrepreneurs features appear in even-numbered chapters and spotlight entrepreneurs who created global businesses. Check your understanding questions at the end of each lesson provide an opportunity to review what you have learned before moving on to additional content. New practice your understanding application questions allow you to apply concept discussed in each lesson in a real, meaningful way. Each chapter summary provides an additional review tool for you and reinforces the chapter learning outcomes. Review your knowledge questions allow you to demonstrate knowledge, identification, and comprehension of basic concepts related to chapter material. Apply your knowledge were refocused as application-based questions to challenge you to relate what you learned in the chapter to your own ideas, experiences, and goals. New Expand Your Learning is a compilation of action-oriented, skills-based activities. These skills are crucial for success in the workplace. In classroom to career, CTSO activities that offer students opportunity to gain leadership and industry skills through a variety of professional development events. The Entrepreneurship Animation Library includes 18 animations to supplement and reinforce classroom instruction. High-quality video footage and crisp narrations enable visual learners and struggling readers to clearly understand the content. We are dedicated to creating exceptional professional development experiences that ignite innovation and drive student success. Through cutting-edge training and instructional design specifically for educators, GW can support you with the tools and knowledge needed to excel. Extend learning, build student interest, and create an engaging atmosphere for your class. Visit our Tools for Educators site to download printable activities, infographics, and posters along with student-centered instructional strategy videos ready for use today. A well-prepared educator is at the cornerstone of every successful learning environment, and GW is here to support you every step of the way. By providing tools that range from simple, user-friendly training resources that directly align to your textbook to high-impact instructional practices, we want every educator to feel confident using GW resources as a powerful gateway to student-centered learning. If you have additional questions or need assistance pertaining to the GW product, please contact us at GW Support or Customer Service and visit our knowledge-based articles and how-to guides at support.g-w.com. You may also submit a ticket through our support center by going to support.g-w.com/new, filling out the required fields, and creating your ticket. In addition, we have a number of knowledge-based articles and how-to guides that you can explore by visiting our support center. You may select a category. You may choose your specific LMS and read the articles of your choice. Please visit us at support.g-w.com to learn more. Every product we create at GW is informed by educators who teach the course it's designed for. We look for teachers or industry professionals who are experts in their field to thoroughly review our content before it's published. If you're interested in working with the GW team to develop new products and improve existing ones, visit www.g-w.com/engage with us to learn more. Stay up to date on the latest from GW when you follow us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And our new GW blog will cover important issues and insights across the career, technical, and health education fields, new trends and technologies that are transforming the workforce, and classroom-tested tips for CTE, health, and PE educators. Thank you for joining us on today's presentation. To learn more about entrepreneurship, visit www.g-w.com.